Hey guys, Eric here. I had some questions about why is it important to have a disclosure when using affiliate links? Well, number one, the FTC wants you to have that information ready and available. So this isn't my rule, but affiliate link disclosures are definitely an FTC mandated practice. So when you have these links up, it's important that on your website there is a tab for specifically disclosing affiliate links. Or if you're using your affiliate links on a site, you may want to, if you're putting it, say, on Facebook somewhere, you're going to want to disclose below the link that it is an affiliate link. Now, this ensures fair business practices, and it gives the buyer a chance to purchase from marketers they actually trust. And again, with trust is complete transparency. We want people to do business with us, but for them to know our position is crucial. Make your disclosures not hidden but in plain view and easy for the viewer to see. If you write blogs, it's important to have a disclosure, and what I usually do is I put the disclosure at the very bottom of each blog post. If you have videos on YouTube, make sure that you've got a disclosure or disclaimer at the very bottom in your description box, and I would do that in every video. So again, be direct with the reader, with the person viewing your video, and let them know that you are receiving a commission or some sort of compensation for your links. Alright, so just to give you guys a quick idea of what it looks like, this is a site I have called 200 Shirts in 20 Days, where I actually teach you how to sell merchandise online. But besides that, I do have a store that is an Amazon store where I sell things, so I have to disclose that. So what I'll do is I've got the tab up above here, and you can see it says Affiliate Disclosure. Here's what I've written. I'm a participant in the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program, an affiliate advertising program designed to provide a means to earn fees by linking to Amazon.com and affiliated sites. I may earn a small commission for my endorsement, recommendation, testimonial, and or link to any products or services from this site. Your purchase helps support my work in bringing you information and content. I am also an affiliate of TeePublic, a site that brings you content from artists involving t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, pillows, or any other merch. Thanks again for your continued support. And you can see by what I've written here, it's very transparent, and people know that I am definitely an affiliate and that there's nothing funny going on. So hopefully this helps out with the idea of disclosures. And if you have any questions, be sure to throw something in the comment section.